Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover Share, Export and Close tab, under File menu. Let's begin. I am going to click on File menu and Share tab. We can share the presentation with different people by clicking on Share with People button. Presentation should be saved in cloud. To get this option, we can share the presentation in mail with different options. First option is Send as attachment. That is, we can send the presentation as attachment in mail. Second option is Send a link. That is, we can send the link in mail. Third option is Send as PDF. That is, we can send presentation as PDF attachment in mail. Fourth option is Send as XPS. That is, we can send presentation as XPS attachment in mail. Fifth option is Send as Internet Fax. We need to configure fax service provider to send the presentation as Internet Fax. We can present the presentation online by clicking on Present Online button. Also, we can enable remote viewers to download the presentation. We can publish slides to Slide Library or SharePoint site by clicking on Publish Slides button. Next tab is Export. We can export the document in PDF or XPS format using Create PDF or XPS button. We can create video from presentation. We can define video quality, that is presentation quality, internet quality or low quality. Under Timing and Narrations, we can choose not to use recorded timings and narrations, or we can choose to use recorded timings and narrations. We can record timings and narrations and preview timings and narrations. We can set seconds spent on each slide and create video by clicking on Create Video button. We can package presentation for CD by clicking on Package for CD button. We can create handouts by clicking on Create Handouts button. We can change file type while exporting with different formats. Under Presentation File Types, we have Presentation, PowerPoint 97 2003 Presentation, Open Document Presentation, Template, PowerPoint Show and PowerPoint Picture Presentation. Under Image File Types, we have PNG Portable Network Graphics and JPEG File Interchange Format. Under Other File Types, we have Save as another file type. Save as button opens. Save as tab under File menu. Next tab is Close, which closes the document. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on Microsoft PowerPoint interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.